Welcome to S&C Custom Designs. We're going to do an episode on the Bandy clamp. What are Bandy clamps? Bandy clamps will essentially be your miracle workers. They're going to help hold stock onto your material so you can glue it up effortlessly. Let's go ahead and mount the camera so we can have our hands free. So essentially, we're going to take this piece of oak that we've cut out on the router table. Look up YouTube, S&C Custom Designs. You'll see how we did that. Essentially, what we need to do is just go ahead and glue this piece of trim onto the stock. And while you can go ahead and use a pin gun, you're going to have to fill those holes, and then you're going to see those holes even when they're filled. The Bandy clamp is awesome because you can go ahead, essentially, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and glue the trim onto the stock. Now, why am I putting water on the stock? Because the stock hasn't had a drink in a long time. Essentially, when you're going to go ahead and put your glue on, the glue is going to seep deeper into the fibers of the wood if you give it a little drink. So essentially, that's really all I need to do there. Now watch how easy this is. Make sure you know the orientation of your stock. Okay, put it on. Then take your Bandy clamp and simply push down and let go. Can that get any easier, my friends? Push down. And let go. And the cool thing about the Bandy clamps is you have a second chance. While the Bandy clamps are holding the stock on, you can go ahead and make sure the stock hasn't moved on you. You know, when you're clamping up stock with glue, it tends to be slippery, and even with pins, you're going to nail it in, you're going to pin it in, and if it wasn't exactly where you intended it to be and it moved, you got to go ahead and kind of start over again. The Bandy clamps are holding it here. I can manipulate the wood. And if you feel you need more, go ahead and get some more. Let's go ahead and have a look. This is what you're actually going to see. The clamps are doing their job. We'll come back in the morning, remove the clamps, and that wood isn't going anywhere in my lifetime. Thanks for watching S&C Custom Designs on the Bandy clamp, and we want to thank you in advance, customers ordering products for the flea market in Woodstock, New York, coming up in June 2017. We really appreciate your patronage, and we appreciate your ideas that you're sending in.